Are you hearing weird noises coming from your suspension when driving? Maybe it clunks when going over bumps or rattles when turning. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 possible causes of suspension noise, so keep watching. The first cause is failing control arm bushings or ball joints. If the bushings or ball joints become loose, that will create excessive play, leading to clunking sounds coming from your suspension. Here's an example of a noise you could hear when driving over uneven roads. The second cause is a worn sway bar link. Over time, the rubber boot can rip, letting in moisture and dirt. This leads to internal corrosion and wear, which causes creaking or clunky noises when going over bumps. The third cause is bad tie rods. Over time, the inner or outer tie rod ends can wear out and develop play. When that happens, you'll often hear a clunking sound when turning your steering wheel. The fourth cause is bad struts or shocks. Worn out struts and shocks can make banging sounds when driving over bumps. They're designed to absorb the force of uneven roads, but if they're faulty, they can't dampen the suspension properly. This causes excessive bouncing, which can lead to metal parts slamming into each other and creating banging noises. Now, if you hear clunking sounds when turning the steering wheel left or right, it could be an indication of loose strut mounts. The fifth cause is a broken coil spring. Springs are under constant tension and can crack from age, rust, or hitting a nasty pothole. When they break, the pieces rub against each other or move out of place. That's when you'll hear loud pops or clunks, especially during turns or going over uneven roads. If you want to figure out what's actually failing, do a bounce test at each corner. You can also jack up the car and grab each wheel and wiggle it side to side or up and down. If something's loose, you'll feel it. Let me know in the comments what kind of noise your car's making. Someone else might be dealing with the same issue and your comment could help them out.